Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Stacy, and today I'm going to show you guys how I install a closure wig from Taobao. Actually, she got it from Taobao and she wanted me to install it for her. So as we all know, we always do the backup method no matter the lace we are going to use. Yeah, but for a closure wig we do it in a different way, which I'm going to show you guys in the screen. You can watch the screen to really understand how I did it. So after laying the cap on her forehead, I'm going to sew the wig cap on her cornrows just like so, because I'm doing it in that in this S manner because it's a closure wig and I'm going to cut it and so that her cornrows can show on the side. Just in case it leaps off, it's going to show the cornrows, not the cap. So today I'm going to use this foundation shade from Maybelline Fit Me. Is it 410 or something? That's the closest I could find for her skin tone. I'm going to use it under the closure and on top of the cap, and then I proceed with installing the wig. So after placing the wig on her hair, I make sure it's at the right position, and I'm going to use my alcohol again and wipe her forehead so that there's no oil left for the glue not to stick well. I'm always using Bold Hold Active, which you can find from me. If you want some of this glue, you can get it from me. There are so many fake ones on the internet, on Taobao and other platform. So if you want the original one, you can get it from me on my WeChat, Stacy Benz, and you can also follow me from all social media at Stacy Benz. And also please like this video so that YouTube can boost the algorithm and I get more views. Okay, so I used 3 coats of this glue, and once it was dry clear, I actually placed the lace on where it was supposed to be. Most often it's not about taking the frontal or the closure and placing it on the lace that makes the installation. The installation is actually how you take your time to melt the hair down and press it so that the lace is flat on her hair. So when it's time for you to actually flat iron or curl your wig, make sure you take your time to do it. Like now I'm using this hot comb to press it down to create my part. You see, I work in section. So make sure each time you're doing something like installing a wig, make sure you always work in section. This will make your work look clean and flat. So when I was at the center, you always take your time. If you are creating any part, take your time to actually create the part the right way. Make sure you are at the right spot. Use the best tool you have to actually create your part. Right now I'm using this wax stick, which you can also find from me. Please like this video, guys, like my videos, and also watch my other videos. Okay, this is a holding spray. I just sprayed on it. So when I was done, I will just use my elastic band to hold it down, press it down so that it can melt. Okay, you all know the melting method. You can watch my other videos to understand how to go do the melt, but this is exactly what I did to make it flat. So later I had to sew the wig on her cornrows because she wanted to use it for a while. You know, with a closure wig, it can easily lift and all of that. Since she bought the wig from a website called Taobao, it was a little bit bigger on her hair, so I had to sew it down so that it can actually fit her. And then I went ahead and add some curls. She wanted it straight, but I just decided to add curls because it will give it a little volume and all of that. And when adding the curls, I always use my holding spray because the hair doesn't hold curls that well. It's not of very high quality. So yeah, this is just how I did to make it look elegant. So at each stage, all the stages, I always try to flat iron it. Always try to use the hot comb again, back and forth here and there, just to make sure my work is neat and it looks how I imagine it. Okay, always try to go back and forth to try to fix any mistake you've made with either your holding your comb, hot comb, or maybe your curling iron. So yeah, as I was curling the hair, I had to continue curling the top part. So make sure also when you are curling the hair, try to pat the hair in the same sizes. Like if you are curling any portion, make sure all the portions are of the same sizes so that you get you get uniform waves or uniform curls. So this curly one, I got it from the supermarket in my previous city. I've had it for a very long time, and I'm trying to get the other ones that doesn't have like this holder thing on it. Those ones that you have to roll it. Those ones give bigger waves and all of that. So if you have any link where I can get the best from China, or anywhere you think I can go and I get the best, please let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, let's continue watching, and please like this video, subscribe to my channel. Now the baby hairs, guys, I'm using you know, so many people don't know how to maintain their baby hairs. Like if you use the mousse method, most people might not know how to maintain when they get back home. So I'm always using Gods to Be gel, the black container, and do the baby hairs. Making baby hairs just depend on your preference, like how you like it, just any shape you like, how you want to make it. So this is my own preference, especially for 4x4 closures or closure wigs or closure install. So yeah, you have to do anything that works for you. Always use your your hand dryer to make it dry fast, and also use this powder or any makeup or any foundation to create your part. Make sure your part is defined. And yeah, this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you think down below, and also let me know what you want to see next. And if there's something you want me to do next, let me know in the comment section below, and tell me what you think about this hairstyle. And yeah, guys, thank you so much for always tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.